show you the details of my material MM02 enter. This is my material quality management view. Plant is 1000. In the inspection setup, I have activated inspection type 01 and even 0101, which is a source inspection. So 01 is once you do the purchase order transaction and good receipt transaction is done using MIGO, the lot will get triggered. Whereas in the source inspection, after creating a purchase order, we are triggering the source inspection at the vendor and we are doing the inspection. So I have activated both the inspection type in this. And for the inspection type 0101, these are the default settings which are maintained for it. We continue it, and since I am activating inspection 0101 inspection type, I need to maintain the procurement data part also, which is mandatory. So I have selected this checkbox QM in procurement active. Even when you select this, I have to select the control key also for QM, and I have selected 0005, which is supplier should be released, and I need a certificate. Since I am selecting certificate, then I have to tell what kind of certificate I need from a vendor. So I have selected E21 for this. If we go for the purchasing view, here you can see the material is a batched managed material. Okay, so I want to trigger a lot for a batched managed material. Save it. Show you the detail of my quality info record for this vendor also from whom I am buying it. So which is QI02 enter. This is my material and the vendor and the plant. Press enter key, and in this quality info record, I have specified that the release date for this vendor is 31st/12. In the inspection control, I have specified that I want to trigger a source inspection. That's why I have selected 0101 in this case, which means at the vendor end only the inspection will be done, and then I will get the goods in my premises. Okay, so once we get the goods and I'm doing the MIGO, no further lot should get triggered because even 01 inspection type I have activated. So I have selected this checkbox, which is source inspection, no GR. Okay, so if the source inspection has been done, then no further inspection or should be done for 01. My material is a batched managed material. My QA32 report, okay, and executed. So at present, there is no lot existing, okay. And if I try to create a purchase order, ME21 and enter, and this is my supplier and header level data I am entering for this. This is my material and quantity. Suppose I am entering say 300 for this, and this is my plant and the storage location. I'm keeping it as this. Here we have the option, since my material is a batched managed material, we can specify the batch number also at the time of creation of the purchase order. Okay, but here I am not entering any batch number in this case, and then save it. So my purchase order number has been generated, and this is the document number. Let me copy this. Now we will try to trigger a source inspection. Okay, so for that manually I am triggering it QI07 enter. And if I execute it, so this is the one, purchasing document is this and quantity is 300. It is showing me in the red sign. At present, if I select this and click on inspection lot and then click on save, it is not removed. And if we go for QA32 report, and if I refresh it, no lot has been triggered. Okay, so if I go to my source inspection transaction again. Let me go back at the initial screen. Here you will find that inspect without batches. So if I select this, or if you click on F1 key here, that your purchasing document doesn't contain a batch, still you want to trigger a log for source inspection, then you have to check this checkbox. Continue, and now it is green. My quantity is 300. Click on inspection lot creation and then save. Now it is removed, and again if we go to our QA32 report and if I refresh it, then the lot has been triggered. So if I see the details for this inspection lot, which is release date, then here it is asking me for the batch number. At this time also we can create a batch number, but I'm not creating any batch number here in this. And you can see it is a 0101 inspection type, origins is 01. Okay, so let's save it. And if I do the result recording for it, and since it's a single result recording, so I have to enter multiple entries, and I'm keeping the values within the specification. Select this and click on lock, accepting it, and then click on save. Now if I refresh it, it is inspected. MMB report again for the same material also, /n MMBE, enter. This is my material and the plant, and if I execute it, you can see 300 quantity it is showing me in on order stock at present. Okay, so let's complete the UD also, usage decision, for the same the lot which is inspected, and we can do the usage decision for the same. If I enter say X as, now it is asking me for a batch number, and if I don't enter a batch number and try to do the UD, it won't allow me. It's asking me assign a batch because that is mandatory. So if I enter say X, which is a batch which already exists in the system for this material, now I am entering my usage as accepted, and then click on save. Okay, so now if I refresh it, it is removed. And again, if we go for our MMB report, and if I refresh it, so still it is here only, and we will do the Migo /n Migo, enter. And here I can enter good receipts against the purchase order, and this is my document, purchase document number. Press enter key. The quantity is 300. Select item OK. Click on check once. So it is asking me for the certificate. Since we have specified that we need a certificate from a vendor, that I have received a certificate. So acknowledgement need to be entered. I have entered yes. And here it has created a batch number automatically, which it is showing as 47. But at the time of UD, I have entered X as my batch number. So if I enter say X as my batch number, press enter key, and then click on save. Now we will again go to our QA32 report. Okay, so let me refresh it. So you can see no further lot has been triggered. And if we go for MMP report, so this 300 quantity, if I refresh it, you can see it has been moved to the batch number here, 450. Let's go back. And if I select all the lots, and I'm entering my material filter as this and the origin as 01 and execute it. So this is the one, okay, with the quantity 300. So just now which we have done,